Digital Exploration Lab, 3D Printing. How to prep an STL file for 3D printing on Ultimaker Cura. Clicking your downloaded STL file should automatically open it on Ultimaker Cura. Using Ultimaker Cura, you should align and reconfigure your design in the most effective print alignment. This means that you should aim to have the base of your design at the bottom, at z equals 0 in a 3D plane. Try to eliminate or minimize the amount of overhanging or floating horizontal components, and if possible, always print without supports, as they are only necessary if you have overhanging ledges or sharp angles. Utilize the tools at the left side to accomplish this. You can translate, rescale, rotate, and mirror your object. Use the move function to translate your object and ensure your design is situated at z equals 0. Use the rotate and mirror functions to ensure that you limit the number of overhanging edges that you have. You must also ensure that you have the correct printer and material selected. If you are using the Ultimaker S3, you must also ensure that the correct color extruder is selected. On the right-hand side, you can also adjust the resolution quality, also known as layer height, infill percentage, also known as density, as well as whether your structure needs supports. Resolution quality of 0.2 mm, which is standard quality, is suitable for most designs. However, you may choose to increase or decrease resolution quality by decreasing or increasing layer thickness. An infill percentage of 20% is recommended for most designs. However, you may increase or decrease the infill percentage if you wish to increase or decrease the strength of your design. Utilize your judgment to determine whether supports are necessary. Keep in mind that the adjustments you make will further influence the time it takes to complete your print. After you have made all the necessary adjustments, simply slice and save your design to your USB and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.